How are you all doing? Welcome back to Crypto Blitz, where you can get all of your cryptocurrency needs met. I'm Ripple Van Winkle, your host. I hope Saturday is going great for everyone. We're going to go flat here for a little while, so hopefully you're doing something exciting this weekend rather than just looking at the markets. It's okay. The next wave is coming. The loading process comes next. Consequently, we will reach the $110,000 range. The next thing you know, it's 110, then 120, and finally 150. Before you realize it, that blow-off top will occur between August and November. After then, every coin is seeing a parabolic rise. Yes, exactly. And to top it all off, people, in this video will hear Eric Trump discuss cryptocurrency and the bank's mistakes. The focus of our discussion will be Bitcoin, its supply, the current shortage on the exchanges, and the inevitable consequences that follow or occur during a shortage. Isn't it true that prices can only move in one direction? Without further ado, take a seat back and unwind. Let's get started. 102,854 Bitcoin. Right now, it's down 81%. The price of Ethereum is $2,466. Right now, it's down 4.81%. And at a mean lean $2.33, XRP continues to cling onto the fourth position. The market value of all cryptocurrencies is $3.3 trillion. Not too bad. My estimate of where we are headed in this huge rise that is upon us is between 5 and 7 trillion. It is currently taking place. Seeing 7 to 10 would be amazing. 5 to 7, I don't know if we go that high. Let's be cautious and safe, which implies that XRP will continue to rise in value. This is an illustration that was posted in the YouTube community. If you join the channel, you will also receive the TA. Yes, exactly. For $0.99 per month. It states, XRP is finally exhibiting indications of a significant change, moving out of consolidation and into what appears to be the start of a bullish impulsive wave after spending the majority of 2025 in a traditional ABC drop. With strengthening macroeconomic and geopolitical tailwinds, momentum is increasing and a possible 1 to 5 elite wave structure is probably going to form as May progresses. Everything is in place for XRP to spark its next significant rise. At the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, the first wave is anticipated to push toward the $2.70 to $2.80 level, a crucial area that might serve as a launchpad. The real targets, however, lay much more and at a higher level. A move in the direction of the record high and, ultimately, the 127.2 Fibonacci extension where significant bullish conflicts are present. Insofar as XRP maintains the $2 key support, the bullish structure endures. A new impulsive error for XRP may represent the start of the end of the corrective phase. And for everyone observing the screen, here is a larger, clearer image of the chart. Folks, this is what we're looking up right now. We have $2. It's absolutely time to depart. The chart you are currently viewing will remain valid. We'll take off. We're going to reach a new peak. I'll be phoning from 4 to 6. And the aim that we are searching for is June. In a few weeks, June will officially begin. People, even though I can't recall the precise currency you were carrying, I know that XRP was present. There was EVAX. Solana was in there, I think. A certain kind of airdrop is scheduled to occur. You don't need to do anything, in my opinion. I have no idea what kind of token that is. No, Cardano, you will not receive an airdrop. If that were to occur, Cardano's death would be certain. Additionally, false information is spreading. Since this is untrue, I want you to be conscious of it and to truly comprehend what is happening. According to Fox News, Paul Atkins stated that the settlement negotiations between Ripple and the SEC, the fact that both sides agreed and that this is progressing indicates that it didn't happen. It was never verified by Fox News. It was never stated by Paul Atkins. It's merely phony. Just leave it alone. Isn't that right? Don't take it seriously. Adhere to the hype and the bullish alert. One of our traders started a long position in Bitcoin worth $276 million. They have a $276 million long position in Bitcoin, people. Could you tell me what you think? And we are aware that this isn't a typical investor. Alright, it can be ruled out. There is a significant institutional actor out there that obviously knows more than we do. Here, they think we're going far higher. They are taking a long time on this because of this. Bitcoin bulls have supported a price of $100,000. The bears are exhausting themselves. Listen up, Eric Trump. Once more, our family solely purchased tangible assets. We didn't believe in things that were, somewhat opaque to the naked eye. Because of all the protections that come with it, you suddenly realize that those were the most valuable possessions. That they are more affordable, quicker, transparent, and modern. That they cannot be destroyed by fire. That they cannot vanish due to corruption. And that they cannot be devalued. And I adore it. I adore the individuals in this field. As they say, there's a well-known proverb that states that your best friend might occasionally be your adversary. With the crypto community, that was the Trumps. Additionally, I believe that the banks made the most significant error of their lives. The banks committed the greatest error of their life. Eric Trump is discussing debanking. Encourage Trump's family to buy cryptocurrency. Well, they made a mistake. You should avoid tampering with Trump and his family. And will it be advantageous to each and every one of us? I also posted this tweet. It's unbelievable that despite all of this buying pressure, Bitcoin is still only around $104,000. It's unbelievable that, despite the exchange's limited supply, Bitcoin is still trading for 100. This year, it's taking place. Your time window is August through November. There will be a decline. You will witness one of the largest cryptocurrency rallies you have ever seen, followed by the most insane Bitcoin run-up and push-up you have ever seen. You will undoubtedly receive double-digit XRP if Bitcoin rises beyond 200,000. And you may even consider investing in the $2030 level on XRP. When this entire bull run is over, I would prefer to see no more than $7 to $10 trillion in this cryptocurrency market class. However, Bitcoin 200K XRP will reach double digits. Folks, I want you to keep it in mind. And this is the Bitcoin chart. There's just a small weekly extension that's sitting there. Folks, we're just lounging about the 786 pocket at about $12,000. It is being guarded in a unique way. If anything, my eyes are on the 618, but I am convinced that Bitcoin's next target is approaching that one fib coming in around 110,000, after which there will be a sharp acceleration up to that 1.41414 at 123K. Could we jump back down to these two massive support levels sitting at the 0.618, which many of you are familiar with, and the 0.5, which would put us around 92 to 96,000? What do you believe is going on with the price of your preferred alternative during all of this? And it's climbing. Lock in, strap in. We're going much farther.